To MAfrika, Israel to Bopogo, from Cape to Cairo, Morocco to Madagascar, no settler can claim an inch of our land. Welcome to the Azanian podcast right here on TikTok. We're also available MAfrika on YouTube. Today we want to clarify something of utmost importance. We have seen the headlines that our president, Africa Mzwanele Nyhontso, is in head-to-head with social activist or much and much activist, Nkosikhona Ndabandaba, otherwise known famously as Phakela Umthakathi. We know that Phakela Umthakathi, Nkosikhona Ndabandaba that is part of a movement that fights or is against illegal immigrants or illegal foreigners, whatever term you might want to use, particularly targeting those of African descent. He has made headlines going on to a podcast making claims against our president that one, our president is for illegal immigrants, that two, our president is only speaking of white immigrants not being targeted, and why targeting only foreign African immigrants, if I want to put it that way. But also one of the most important claims that he has made, and false claim that is, he has stated that President Mzwanele Nyhontso's department and he personally, in his personal capacity as minister, is pushing an agenda when it comes to land reform. That is taking land from the indigenous people of this land, that is the black majority, for the purpose of only giving it to white farmers. That is the crux of it. That his agenda is to manipulate, if we might use that term loosely, because if that is the case, then that is manipulation. That is to manipulate black majority landowners by taking their land, compensating them for whatever it might be, but solely for the purpose of transferring that land to white minority farmers. This, of course, we know it is a false claim. MAfrika, Mzwanele Nyhontso, our PAC president, has been doing everything possible ensuring that the land is returned to the indigenous people of this land. And not only is it returned and they're compensated, but also there is post-settlement support. So we are yet to see what is going to happen, but the department and Africa Mzwanele Nyhontso, in his capacity as minister, has taken legal action against Phakela Umthakathi, or otherwise known as Nkosikhona Ndabandaba, for those false claims, and is suing him for defamation. But also we want to put a stand on the narrative that the PAC is only against white illegal immigrants, be it from America, Italy, because we saw those claims that Nkosikhona Ndabandaba was making. The law states, and we have gone onto the law in this podcast, and we have stated that what illegal immigration means and what is an illegal immigrant. The PAC, as we know, our founding father, Robert Sobukwe, always there's a famous quote that states that there is only one race, and that is the human race. The PAC is a non-racial liberation movement. It does not in any way class one race over another in any form or way. We do not believe in racism or racial profiling. But what Africa Mzwanele Nyhontso was stating, from my understanding, he was saying this seems to be targeting only African foreigners. This seems to be targeting only African illegal foreigners, if you want to use that term. And we know in MAfrika, our ideology is that we are all African, that the land, we are Africans, and and he even stated that, if people are illegal, well, I mean, it's a different story, but you can't just be targeting anybody and anyhow in any way, form, or way. So to say for him that he was targeting, he's saying that only white, he's saying, why is that class being ignored? And many Africans, MAfrika, have said this. I've seen in many social media statements, some saying, yes, you are doing this, targeting illegal immigrants, and it seems to be African immigrants, and we understand it could be majority. But are you going to Houghton? Are you going to Sandton? Are you going to Constantia in Cape Town? Are you going to Rondebosch? Because there is a majority of those that come from Europe illegally in South Africa, in Tanzania. There are many. From Great Britain, they are here. Australia, they are here. Czech Republic, they are here. Mexican Colombians, they are here. So he was not saying only go for white or whatever this false claim that Mthakathi is making. What he was saying is, from my understanding, is why are you not talking about those? Why are you not targeting those? Yes, they might be in the suburbs. So what? They are still in the country illegally. But the false claim, also very important, that Mzwanele Nyhontso is targeting only white, black landowners for the purpose of returning land. That is not the policy of the PAC, to return land to the white settlers. That is not even the policy of the PAC. The policy of the PAC is land must be returned to the indigenous people of this land. And Mzwanele Nyhontso, in his capacity as PAC president and minister, that is role, that is what is meant to do. That is the primary role that is meant to do, is to return the land to our people. So now how can you do the opposite? So I hope that clarifies MAfrika. We will continue to update you on this matter. But there are many who are trying to understand what are the allegations, what happened. We will post that video also of what Phakela Mthakathi stated, Nkosikhona Ndabandaba, on his podcast interview. The land always must be returned to its people. That is the PAC ideology. And we will show that it happens. Isoletu, MAfrika.